Here I've got SONY Xperia 5 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now go to the sound and then select ringtone. And here we've got all possibilities, so let me show you all of them, starting with air. And that will be all. Just pick the one that you like the most so it can be ding, and then click on OK to save it. So this is it, that's how you can change ringtone in your SONY Xperia 5. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.